Hello and welcome to Kundra classes. And today the topic of discussion is question on automata fix. So what we are going to understand is another questions on automata fix. Let's start with a question of automata fix. Now the question is of code reuse in data structure. The following code is supposed to print the value on the top of a stack as depicted in line 19 and 21. So you can see that in line 19 and 21, if I see the line 19, and if I see the line 21, line 19 and line 21, both are printing some stack values, that is stack top values, fine, okay, of the code. Your task is to identify the missing line. Here is some line which should be written over here. Write the code here. Your task is to find the missing line so that we get the correct output. That is, if we insert A, then output should be stack top A. Then after putting B, our output should be stack top B. So this is our question, and we have to find what should be in place of missing line. Fine, okay, that's good. Okay, let's see. Let's move further. So if I move further in line number 10, I have a link and there is a question. Question says choose the correct option for missing line. Okay, now you have the options that you feel that this particular option can be properly replaced by line 10. Okay, either it could be this, it could be this, it could be this, or it could be this. तो ये आपको पता लगाना है कि ये कौन सा कोड हो सकता है. क्लियर? तो अब ये कौन सा कोड हो सकता है कि यहाँ पे क्या आएगा. चलो आंसर देखते हैं. आंसर है स्टार टॉप प्लस प्लस. अब ये आंसर कैसे आया, क्यों आया, ये समझने की कोशिश करते हैं कि स्टार टॉप प्लस प्लस ही क्यों आया. तो लेट्स मूव बैकवर्ड. Okay, and now the question answer is star top plus plus. So let's start with the concept of pointer and everything. Okay, so let's start with main. Okay, fine. फिर हमने क्या किया, stack का size दिया, the size of stack is 4. Okay, then we have created one array of stack size, that is stack size 4. Then we took top as having a value -1. So here is a top having value -1. Fine. So top has value -1 and the address of top let's is 100. Fine. Now we are calling a function push. What we are passing, हम पास क्या कर रहे हैं, a value stack top का एड्रेस, what is the address of top, 100. Okay, okay, and stack size is what, 4. The moment we call, we jump over here, the element is a, fine. Stack is the array, that is stack top. What is top address, we are sending an address. So we are top has 100 and start top has -1. Fine, you know this. Okay, then stack size is 4. अब हमें आगे करना है. अब देखो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात, टॉप. क्या टॉप का स्टार स्टैक साइज -1 के बराबर है. टॉप, व्हाट इज टॉप, 100. And after that 100 star, what is 100 star, you dereference it. On dereferencing it, what you get, -1. So for this you getting -1. Is -1 equal to size of stack is what, 4 -1 3. Is size is no, condition is false. Condition is false. So stack is not full, so we'll not print this. So we'll not print this. We'll move to the else statement. Now see what we do generally, जब हमारे पास एलिमेंट आता है तो हम उसको स्टैक की पहली पोजीशन पे डालते हैं. तो हमने क्या किया, स्टार टॉप. अभी स्टार टॉप की वैल्यू कितनी निकाली थी हमने, -1. भाई टॉप इज 100 एंड 100 का स्टार इज व्हाट, -1. सो -1 plus this +1 equal to what, 0. So stack 0 will have element, and what is there in element a. So what, stack 0 will have element a. So this is 0th index, this is 1 index. Fine. So stack will have now this. Now what we are doing is that top, see this top, what is top, top is 100. Fine. And what is asterisk top, this is -1. And what we are doing, we are incrementing it, so it will become what, 0. So finally the top has value what, 0. Finally the top has value 0. Hope you understood. What I'm trying to tell you is top is what, 100 star. This means you are inside this top, and after that you are incrementing the inside value of top. So it was -1, when you increment it आपको क्या हो जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा. Clear? तो अभी वो 0 हो गया. Fine. Then what will come, will come back to this line now. अभी इस लाइन पे वापस आए और हमने क्या प्रिंट कराया, stack top is equal to stack का top. What is top, top is 0 now. Stack 0 is what, a. The output will be like this, stack top a. Fine. Again we are calling this function b. Now we are passing value b. Fine. Stack address of top, again the address of top is 100, so we are again passing 100. And what is after that? We are passing stack size 4. Fine, good. Okay, again what? Star top is what? 100. And star 100 is what? Now star 100 is 0. Fine, is 0. Is 0 equal to 3? No, 0 is not equal to, the condition again false, so we'll not execute this line. We'll come again to this statement. And what we'll do? Top, what is top? 100 star is value 0. Now 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 is what? 1. So stack 1 will have element. So stack, what is the element? B. So stack 1 will have an element B. Okay, fine. So after that, what we'll do? We'll increment top, that is top, that is 100, star top, that is 0, and increment will get 0. In place of 0 we'll get 1. Fine. We again come back to this line. And what we are doing? We are printing stack top. Now top value is 1. So stack 1 is what? Stack 1 is having B. So what will be the output? Stack top B. Fine. Now the question is, why this option? Why not star top plus plus? Why not star plus plus top? What is right with this option? तो दिस इज वी हैव क्लियरली शोन यू, इसमें सही क्या था वो आपने दिखा दिया, लेकिन इसमें गलत क्या है? ये ऑप्शन क्यों नहीं आया? अब आपके मन में ये क्वेश्चन उठ रहा होगा, ये ऑप्शन क्यों नहीं? तो इसका आंसर भी मैं देता हूं आपको। इसका आंसर क्या है, ध्यान से देखो। ठीक है, अब देखो ध्यान से, इसका आंसर क्या है कि व्हाई नॉट दिस ऑप्शन। ठीक है, अब मैं सब मिटाता हूं। ओके, again what is stack size? 4. Again we are creating an array of 4 size. Top is -1. Now the current value of top is what? -1. Fine. Okay, we are calling a function push, passing value a. Fine. Then array stack. Fine. Then top address, the address of top is 100. Fine. Then top address of top is 100. Fine. Okay, तो ये समझ में आ रहा होगा आपको। Okay, and inside, and then stack size, this is 4. So finally this is the situation. Now we again go and check top. What is top? 100. And what is 100 star is -1. Is -1 equal to stack size 4 minus 1 3? No, condition becomes false. The moment condition becomes false, will not execute this statement, will come to else. What we'll do? We'll put asterisk top. What is top? 100. And what is there in 100? -1. What we'll do? This is -1 and now +1. -1 plus 1 becomes 0. Stack 0 will have element. What is there in element? A. So finally what will come? A will come. Fine, this is fine. Now in place of this, suppose I'm having this. Now अभी आप ये मान लो कि इसकी जगह मेरे पास ये है. Now in place of this we are having star top plus plus. So अब let's see the error. इसमें error क्या है? Now see the error. अभी क्या है? Top, the value of top is what? Now since star and plus both are unary operator, and both operator has equal प्रायोरिटी, दोनों की इक्वल प्रायोरिटी है, तो ये और ये दोनों की इक्वल प्रायोरिटी है। अब लेकिन एसोसिएटिविटी कहां है? लेफ्ट टू राइट। एसोसिएटिविटी इज फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट। फाइन। सो एसोसिएटिविटी इज फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट। सो फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट, आई एम सॉरी, associativity is from right to left, from right to left. This is right to left. So what will happen? On top will increment first. On top, on the value of top, what will do? On the value of top will first increment. What is top? 100. Fine. This is what? Post increment. This is what? Post increment. So we'll not do anything because it's a post increment. So again what will happen? Star 100. What is star 100? Star 100 is -1. And what after that we are doing is that we are incrementing 100. The moment we increment 100, सपोज 100 विल बिकम 102. हमने 100 को बढ़ाया, और 100 को जब हम बढ़ाया तो अब टॉप में क्या? अब 100 को, अब हम वैल्यू को नहीं बढ़ा रहे, अब हम एड्रेस को बढ़ा रहे हैं, टॉप को बढ़ा रहे हैं। ध्यान से समझो, यहाँ पे इसमें फर्क है। हमने क्या किया? टॉप को मुझे इंक्रीमेंट करना था। मैं फिर से बता रहा हूं, ध्यान से देखो, मैं फिर से बता रहा हूं। मैंने लिखा स्टार टॉप प्लस प्लस, तो क्या होगा, एसोसिएटिविटी कैसे है, राइट टू लेफ्ट है, तो सबसे पहले टॉप इंक्रीमेंट होगा, क्योंकि ये पोस्ट है तो इंक्रीमेंट होगा नहीं, पहले स्टार लगेगा। तो अब देखो टॉप के स्टार में तो क्या -1, वो तो ठीक है, -1 ठीक है, लेकिन हम इंक्रीमेंट किसको करेंगे, किसके ऊपर इंक्रीमेंट लगा है, टू whom will increment top, so top is 100, will increment 100, then top will become some, suppose 102, so now top will point what, 102, and we don't know what is there in 102, we don't know what is there in 102. The moment we go back after this statement to this statement, what here I am trying to print is stack top, and now what is there in stack top, I don't know. So what will be the output, either garbage or null value. Fine, hope you are understanding what I'm trying to tell you. Let's see another question. Suppose in place of this we took star plus plus top. Again what will happen, again the same thing. क्या होगा, टॉप में क्या है, 100, पहले हम 100 को बढ़ाएंगे, तो 100 को बढ़ाएंगे तो टॉप कितना हो गया, 102, तो 102 या 104 जितना भी इंक्रीमेंट होगा, एंड आफ्टर दैट star, so we'll move inside, but even I don't know what is there in inside, so now the new top is this, fine, and I really don't know what is there inside. So if I'll go again here and try to print stack top, but I don't know what is there in stack top, it might be 5 over here, it might be 15 over here, it might be 25 over here, it might be null over here. So in that case what we'll be getting is either garbage value or null value. समझ में आया आपको? Hope I have tried my level best to explain you this. Clear? So thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching Kundra classes. Please like, subscribe and share the channel. Please. Thank you so much.